Hi, welcome to the 3D pen den. In my last video, I promised to show you how to make spheres, because that's what I get asked about the most. People tell me, I want to make that. Let's do it. But it's a long story, too long for one video. So this will be the first episode of a mini-series on how to build and decorate balls of all kinds. Today we are just going to build a simple sphere from scratch, and in the next episode we'll get into decorating spheres and all other related topics. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do so you don't miss any of it. In addition to pen and filament, we will be using the circle part of the 3D Mate mat and two special tools, carousel and spacers, which is something you can easily make yourself, and the links to the videos of how to do that are in the description. When I first started attempting spheres, I found it was tricky to get them to be truly round and not UFO-shaped or Zeppelin-shaped. So obviously you do need to pay attention to the fact that the height of the ball needs to match the width, because that's how balls work. But even when you do that, you may get strange, unexpected flat spots in your ball. So it does take a bit of planning to stay in control of your shape. And I'm going to show you some of my planning, because that will help you make any size ball you wish in the future. First, I will make myself a simple cardboard pattern to make sure I have tool to check the height and the curve of my ball. The curve needs to match 1/4 of your circle. I don't need every single circle on this template, so I'm going to use only every other one, which means I will use circle 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then obviously also the last one, number 10, since I want the biggest ball I can make with this tool. As for my spacers, I will increase them exponentially, so 1, 2, 4, and 8. And as for the last one, whatever space is left to reach the right height, maybe 12, we'll see and test as we go. I will make my ball one hemisphere at a time, so I can also mark the central axis at 2.5 inches to know when I'm going up too far. Let's test the height of all the stuff I'm planning to put there to see if the plan is going to work out. Looks like this may work out. So we are ready. Let's try this. you make both hemispheres the same size, you will end up with a heavier, more noticeable seam in the middle, because you are doubling the largest circle. So to make my ball more seamless, I will stop one step before the middle when making my second hemisphere. Time to join the halves. Make sure you stabilize the stack by using either a sticky putty or, in my case, a kneaded eraser. To make the whole structure stronger, I am going to subdivide each segment in the middle. Now it's time to edit all the inside braces out, if you decide you don't want them. It would have been easier if I did this step before the subdivision, but oh well. I can still reach inside with my cutters. If it is hard to reach the ends, use skinny scissors with longer jaws. Alright, we have made a simple 5-inch ball. This one is 18 inches. The process is similar, that's why we started here, but obviously I still have some more explaining to do. So stay tuned!